Hi, it's Jason Godbey, No Rest of the Weekend podcast, continuing our coverage of the Soho International Film Festival, and I'm here with Sasha, Cleo, and Karmen from Welcome to Granville. Tell me what the movie's about.
So the movie is about a mother and daughter taking the first steps towards healing in the aftermath of suicide.
Not a comedy, I'm assuming.
Dark comedy at times, but more a drama.
And Cleo, you play?
Sydney Levy.
How was it for you to play this part?
It was surreal. It was, working with this woman, and especially the woman that played my mom. Her name is Melissa. It was an amazing experience. It really was. It was only my second time in front of camera, too. So.
Wow, so you got thrown in the deep end pretty quick.
Taken off and running since then, so we're excited for her.
And Karmen, you're the producer of the picture, co-producer of the picture. How were you able to bring this movie together?
Through the most fantastic team that you could imagine. Lead producer, Linda, and everybody over at Humble was amazing, and all under the leadership of Sasha, and so it was just good vision.
What is the message that you want people to come away with after seeing this picture?
We just wanted to really look at what happens in the aftermath. People tend to really look at suicide as a bit of a spectacle. We've seen that in the recent weeks. And what we wanted to talk about with this film was what it really means to the people who are left kind of picking up the pieces, but without judgment. And we just wanted to look at precisely that moment when the pieces start to get picked up.
It's an interesting moment you don't normally see in pictures.
Yeah.
Where can people find this film? Where you guys are doing the festival circuit? This is your New York premiere, yes?
This is our New York premiere. We have an interactive version of the film which premiered at Cleveland in their interactive immersive storytelling exhibition there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can people find that?
We're going to be releasing that in the next couple of weeks. So in the meantime, they can go to my website for the trailer, which is sashalevinson.com. And we're going to be releasing both the short and the interactive film on welcometogranville.com in the next couple of weeks.
The movie is Welcome to Granville, Soho International Film Festival, and catch it on sashalevinson.com.